How to update personal information on OneXpert. First of all, open the OneXpert app and log into your account. Once you are on the main screen, tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap Settings by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner. Then, tap the profile icon in the top right to open your personal profile settings. This is where all your account details are stored, including your name, email, phone number, and other personal information. You can update specific details by tapping on Link, Add, or Sends. For updating more details, tap on Enter Details. Here you can update detailed personal information such as your first and last name, date of birth, country, city, address, and even upload an ID document. Tap on any field you want to change, enter the correct information, and make sure everything is accurate. After making all the necessary updates, scroll down and tap on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Always double check that your information is correct before saving, as incorrect details could lead to verification issues later on. And that's it. Now you know how to update personal information on OneXpert. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.